Hello guys, welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. In this video we are going to look at Sealsend Airdrop. The KYC is now live, so you need to do your KYC to position yourself for the token distribution. According to their updates today, May 9, they say that the token distribution is around the corner. We are thrilled to announce that the KYC process is now live. This is your final step before the highly anticipated $sell token distribution kickoff. You know that you have to do the email verification, and after the email verification, it is demand that you will deposit minimum of $1 to your Seasend wallet. And I've already made a big video on how to create your Seasend extension. If you have not watched it, I will also attach it in this video. Go right now and watch how to create your wallet. Once you create your Seasend extension, you can now send minimum of $1, and once you send minimum of $1 to your wallet, you will now send out any amount of eyes so that your wallet can be active. And after that process, the next thing is the KYC. So you need to do your KYC if you want to be eligible. They say KYC is mandatory for all participants to be eligible. Make sure to complete it as soon as possible so that you don't miss out. So you need to do this immediately. Do your KYC and create your Seasend wallet to be eligible. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. So right now, you need to do your KYC. KYC is live, and an important information: I'm currently buying and selling USDT, tons, Solana, plus all gas fees. If you want to do any business with me, reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I'm the admin, then I'll reply you instantly. So this is the KYC process. You need to do this right away. Can you see KYC verification? Face authentication is required to confirm your identity and your C token account. This step ensures secured and streamlined access to our platform. So all you have to do is to click on this box, tick it so that you can continue. Click on the box. I agree with the Seasend KYC terms and conditions. Then you click on continue. They say KYC verification. I confirm that the identity I'm using for this authentication will be the only one associated with this account, and this choice cannot be changed later. Then you click on continue. So right now you need to choose your country. I'm going to select Nigeria. If you are in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If you are an American, you select an American. If you are United Arab Emirates, you choose your country. So I'm going to search for Nigeria, my beloved Nigeria, my sweet country, my one and only country. So once you select it, then you click on continue right here. Now, KYC guidelines. Before proceeding, please follow these guidelines for a successful KYC first authentication. 1. Make sure you have a high quality video, have good lighting, have a clear background, no dark photos, no boring or forged videos, clean camera lenses. So this is what you need to do so that you will have a successful KYC. So you must do it in a light place. Now click on confirm, then you continue. So it's going to run in the Chrome. This is KYC. So it's loading script. So this is going to take you to the Chrome. Thereby you will now have to do the face authentication. Applicant verification. Just be giving it time. It's going to load. Connecting the camera. So right now the camera is coming up. I'm going to do it right away. Processing in progress. So it's processing. Give it time to process. Do not be in a hurry. If you are in a hurry, you will not get it. So give it time to process. Can you see? Verification completed. Very seamless. You can do this. So they say, congratulations, you have successfully completed your KYC. Your identity is now verified. Do you hear that? I am now verified. That's stress. Go right now and do your KYC and make sure you have activated your wallet. So if you find value in this video, do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. So thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.